Hello everybody, my name is Joe and today we are unboxing this set of air fryer accessories. Now full disclosure, the seller sent this to me for the purpose of making this video. However, all opinions are my own. I have not opened this yet, so you're going to do it with me. And the purpose of this video is for you to see what you can expect when you buy this set of air fryer accessories. So without further ado, let's unbox. Alright, so we are greeted with what appears to be a recipe guide. There's I believe a list of all the accessories that we will be getting, or at least some of them are in pictures, and it is basically a cookbook. So we've got some recipes there so that you can experiment a little bit with some nice dishes. I'm gonna put this aside for now and let's see. Okay, the first item we have here is what appears to be a handle. If I'm not mistaken, this is so that you can pick up a hot pan without touching it with your fingers and without the need to use a glove. We're going to test it out in just a second. We got some cute, I like this. These are cute little tweezers. Is that the right name? Tweezers? Alright, they have the safety clip over here, and you can open it like that. Excellent. They feel rather nice. I like that it has a silicone tip, and the rest of the construction is metal with some rubber, or yeah, I believe it's rubber, to help you with handling hot items. Let's put this aside. We got a silicone brush. Let me see, I've seen some other silicone brushes in the past that are okay, but they tend to have a detachable piece right here, and this is a single piece. Everything is a single piece, so I don't really know how they did it, but it doesn't come apart. And I kind of like that because the other ones that I have actually do fall apart from here, and sometimes it can be a little bit messy. So I like this. It's a little bit flexible. I think it has some metal reinforcement, I presume, from the inside, but the tip right here is soft. This is really stiff and solid, and then this is soft as well as the brittles. Very nice. Put this away. And okay, these are for skewers, I think, and we got more than one item here. So let's try to take them out. Alright, so this is so that you can put it on the bottom of your air fryer and it not touching the floor of the frying pan. So I think that you can use this to cook, to vapor cooking or something. It can also help for grilling. You can grill with the air fryer, right? I believe that you can use this to put your loaves of bread in standing position, and you can toast them in your air fryer, or you can just set it on the side of the table and also put your loaves of bread standing so that you can then just pick them up. Okay, we have, I think these are the skewers. You can set this, let's see, I'll try to get just one for now. You put your pieces of meat, and then you can just lay them there like that. Alrighty, nice. You get for eight of these things. I don't have the technical names for that, sorry. Alright, and we have a spray bottle for your oils. This is very, very handy. Now it doesn't tighten all the way, so that's good, but you can open it easily. Okay. It's a little bit flimsier than I would expect, but as long as it gets the job done. Let's see. Not very happy about this one. The bottle itself is glass. It looks to be high quality, but the nozzle, not so much. I don't know if it just came apart or something. Oh, maybe we just have to set it up together. Let's see if we can figure it out really quickly. This, I believe, goes like so. And there a position to this? Oh no, that's it. Alright, let's give it a try. There don't appear to be any grooves for this. Or am I putting it wrong? I'm putting it wrong. That's my bad. I'm putting it wrong. Yeah, I was putting it wrong. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, so that's supposed to go. Ah, alrighty. Now we're talking. So yeah, you just had to assemble it. So it's a nice. It feels much better like this. Okay, and the straw goes all the way to the bottom, which is great. Yeah, it works fine. Okay. I almost dismissed that one. I just had to put it together. The more you know. Alright, so a cardboard box that we don't need. Ah, we got some more accessories here. How many do we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have taken out 7 items so far. Okay, so this appears to be silicone claws. Yep, silicone claws. And there are 2 from what I can tell. Nice. So this, you can grab your hot items like this. Silicone pads are very handy. Pun intended. Okay, what else do we have here? Ah, this is metal. And it has more than one item here. Alrighty, let's go by one. This is a silicone cupcake mold. That's nice. I've never seen silicone of this type before. I always see them metal, like Teflon type. But this one feels nice. And silicone, as you know, is very heat resistant, so it would be... I might have to check the manual, but I think that you can air fry with this. Or bake, rather. Use your air fryer to bake little cupcakes in this. Or maybe, you know, toss some eggs in here. You could really do a lot of things with these. I like it. Very nice. We got some air fryer paper liners. How many? I can't tell how many. There doesn't seem to be a number. Does the box say? No, it doesn't. But if I can guesstimate, I would say at least 30. I'm just guesstimating from the looks of the papers here. Okay. These are great if you don't want the grease of the whatever you're cooking to be dripping on the floor. So this is nice. Very, very nice. Is this the last one? No, we still got some more. Alright, so this is like a pot type thing. It's metal. Appears to be non-stick. Very nice. I got a handle so that you can... Maybe you want to stew something and you don't want to lose all the liquids and the flavors and whatnot. Alright. It's almost the last one. We're almost done. Just have one more to go after this one. This is not as deep pan, a little bit more shallow. Oh, I think we can try the first item that we have. Let's see. So I imagine, yep, you can pick this up. If it's too hot and you can't use the claws, the silicone claws for whatever reason, then you can use this to pick it up. That's nice. Awesome. And last but not least, the silicone pad. So that you can rest your hot items on your table without damaging your table. Really nice. Alright, so that's all you get here. Quite a amount of things. Quite a number of things. Very nice. Anyway, I hope it was useful for you. I like the accessories. I like the quality. They're not incredible quality, but they're nice enough. I think they will make a pretty good gift, if not to yourself, to a friend. Very nice. There you go. I hope you found this helpful. See you in the next one.